Hi, my name is Steve Nomura in Chicago. I'm in one of the big rehabbing project right now. Okay, we have been showing you how this project is going on so far, last few months. We are now in the very final stage. We already started painting. And also we are taking care of the trimming work and install the doors. After that, maybe we're going to install some light fixtures. Then clean up, and then we're going to finish this project. I show you how we are now painting and then also trim work. This is the dining and living space. There's a one bedroom on the front. This is a bedroom. I think this can be used for the office space. Let's go second floor. In this second floor, we have 3 bedrooms. One of them is a master bed. Okay, on this side, there's 2 small bedrooms, and there's one full bath. And then from here, there's a door. If you open this is the entire master bedrooms. And this side, there's a full bath. It's a nice size. This is a big size walk-in closet. And then this is the master bed. It's a very high ceilings. And then you can see the street from the bedroom. We have a big 3 windows. It's very bright, and then sunshine comes in, especially in the morning. Let's go basement. This is the basement. We have one big size of, nice size of bedrooms. Also, we have a full bath, and then furnace room, then also some space area, some storage area. We are planning to finish this entire project within the next 2 weeks. By the middle of March, we're going to finish this project and put it on the market. I'm going to show you the final product next one.